In the heart of the desert, where sand once stretched for miles and camels walked beneath the hot sun, a tower now rises into the sky, so tall it seems to touch the clouds. On a warm evening, a visitor looks up from the base of the Burj Khalifa. The glass and steel shimmer in the golden light as the sun begins to set. The building towers above everything, so high that the top disappears into the haze. It feels almost impossible, but it is real. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on Earth, a symbol of imagination, engineering, and the dreams of a city that reached for the sky. The Burj Khalifa stands in Dubai, a modern city in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. This tower is more than just a building, it is a record breaker. At 828 meters tall, or about 2,717 feet, it is taller than any other structure humans have ever built. It has more than 160 floors, and it takes over a minute to ride the elevator from the bottom to the top. On a clear day, you can see for miles in every direction, even beyond the borders of Dubai. The story of the Burj Khalifa began in the early 2000s. Dubai was growing fast. It had become a center for business, travel, and design. The leaders of the city wanted to show the world what Dubai could do. They wanted to build something that had never been done before, a building so tall and beautiful that people from every corner of the globe would come to see it. It would become a new symbol for the modern Middle East. Construction began in 2004. The company in charge was Emaar Properties, and the architects were from a U.S. firm called Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill. The chief architect was Adrian Smith, and the chief engineer was Bill Baker. Together they worked to design a tower that was not only very tall, but also safe and strong. Because no one had ever built a tower this high, everything had to be planned very carefully. Engineers studied wind patterns, the weight of materials, and how the building would move. The Burj Khalifa sways a little in the wind, just a few feet, but it is perfectly normal and very safe. The design of the tower was inspired by a desert flower called the Hymenocallis. The base of the building has 3 petals that help keep it stable. As the tower rises, the shape gets thinner and more narrow. This shape helps reduce wind pressure and makes the building look smooth and graceful. The outside of the Burj Khalifa is made of glass, aluminum, and steel. Over 26,000 glass panels were used, and special robots clean the windows. Otherwise, it would take months. Tens of thousands of workers from around the world helped build the tower. It took over 5 years to complete. In 2010, the Burj Khalifa officially opened. It was named in honor of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the president of the UAE, who helped support the project during the financial crisis. The grand opening included lights, fireworks, and water shows. People from all over the world watched as Dubai celebrated its new jewel. Inside the Burj Khalifa, there is more than just offices. The tower includes luxury apartments, restaurants, observation decks, and even a hotel. The hotel was designed by the famous fashion designer Giorgio Armani. From the observation decks on the 124th, 125th, and 148th floors, visitors can see the entire city, the sea, and the desert beyond. At night, the city sparkles below like a field of stars. The tower also stands next to one of the world's largest shopping malls, the Dubai Mall, and the Dubai Fountain, a huge fountain that shoots water high into the air in time with music and lights. Together, these attractions make downtown Dubai one of the most visited places on Earth. But the Burj Khalifa is more than a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of what people can achieve when they dream big and work hard. Building it took science, teamwork, bravery, and creativity. It also showed the world that the Middle East is a place not just of ancient history, but also of modern innovation. Of course, the tower has not been without challenges. It used a massive amount of energy and materials, and it faced criticism for the treatment of some of the workers who helped build it. Since then, Dubai has made efforts to improve labor conditions and has focused more on building sustainably, using cleaner energy and better technology. Even as new towers are being planned around the world, the Burj Khalifa still stands as the tallest and one of the most admired. It has inspired other cities to reach higher and think differently about what is possible. Whether people come to take photos, eat at the top, or simply look up in wonder, they all feel the same thing, that they are witnessing something truly incredible. The Burj Khalifa rises from the desert like a modern-day miracle. It reminds us that humans are builders, creators, and dreamers. From a simple sketch on paper to the tallest building on Earth, it shows what we can do when we push the limits of imagination. And for anyone standing at its base, staring upward, it feels like a promise that the sky is never the end.